Hi YouTubes, it's me Randy. Since my last video on special effects went viral, I wanted to make another one. But this one is super cool because for Halloween, it's probably pretty obvious who I'm gonna dress up as for. I'm gonna dress up as Francis, my favoriteest YouTuber. I think his YouTuber username is Boogie something or other, some kind of number in there. But, because I do a good Francis impression, I go like this. Hi guys, I'm Francis. And so that's what I'm going to do for Halloween. But I know there's going to be a lot of people as Superman. And Superman's my favoriteest superhero of all time. So I hope a lot of people want to make fan films of Superman for YouTube because I want to see a lot of them. But I know that sometimes some people don't want to make fan films because they say, oh, it's too hard to do the special effects. So since I'm so good at special effects, I'm going to do some right now that you can use just for Superman. You can do for your Superman fan film. So you can use them if you want. But if you do, please let me know where they are so I can watch them. So I can see your Superman movies with my cool sound effects. So could you please come over here, you? Okay. So, Superman has a lot of powers that are super cool, obviously, but they need special sound effects. So, my favoriteest power of Superman is flying. Let's do some of that one. Flying. Up, and away! Look out below! Everyone looks so small from down there. Some flybys when he's going like this. That one was really good, actually. I can't wait to hear what that sounds like. Okay. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I also do really good eye laser sound effects. So I'll just do some quickly here for you. Okay. So I give you a couple good ideas there. Because you don't want them all to sound the same or it'll get boring. You could use some of my punch ones you did if Superman's in the other video, if Superman's going to be in a big fight or something. But one of the other cool things Superman does is he blows people. So, so here's the sound of Superman blowing people. That hurted. I hope that sounded really good because it didn't feel too good. Okay. Well, it's a good thing that I'm really good at that one. So, some of Superman's other effects are running really fast. That's a hard one because when I run in this room it doesn't make a lot of sound, but I'll try to do it anyway, and you can try to use this one for Superman running really fast. Out of super breath. Okay, that was a good one too. Now, not a lot of people like Superman Part 4, The Quest for Peace, but in case you want to use the power that he had only in that movie and none of the other movies, which was, I'm not quite sure what it was called, but it was like a little white laser beam flying from his eyes that builded things back up. I'll do a couple sounds for that. So, let's see here. I would probably go something like this. Probably. If I had to imagine what that would sound like in real life, it would probably be something like that. So, I think those are all the things you need, but for sound effects, if you need some music for Superman, then I can do some music for you too, maybe in another one, because Randy's good at singing songs too. But I hope you liked that, YouTubes, and in the words of Francis, I'll see you later, mother.